Hey everyone, today's quick video is going to be on the use of the recording function, the 3D recording function that you have access to here in Acadicus. And so right now you can see that our menu is in learner mode. And what we're going to do to access our 3D recorder is to go into edit mode. Now here within the edit menu, you can see over here on the far right, we have recorder. So I'll point my laser at that, pull my action button, and you can see that we have the screen recorder panel pop up. Along the right, you can see a list of recordings that I've made here using the recorder. And it's a very simple process. Once you're here, once I click record, everything in this 3D scene will be recorded for playback. And so if we go ahead and click record real quick, and it's actually recording me now in this scene. It's listening to me talk. It's picking up all my gestures. If I had assets and were moving things around in here, it would show that too. I'm going to go ahead and stop. And if I scroll way down to the bottom, you can see the recording date and time stamped, and it says recording. If I select it, I have a number of choices. I can play that. So I can actually view what I recorded and how it's turning out. I can rename it, right? This can be really important in case you want to call out to users to, click this first. So let's click rename. We get our keyboard up. I'm going to go ahead and click the X to get rid of that recording. And I'm going to say, click me first, right? Exclamation point, right? So now I have my recording. It's down here at the bottom. Click me first. I can also create a holocron with that. And so now when I click that, let's bring that over, make sure this gets into frame. You can see now I've created a holocron. And so I can add this recording to my scene so that as somebody comes in here, there may be, they see this button as soon as they come in the room, right? We can make it really, really big, right? Click me first. We're going to give them some important information. Now you'll notice it has this numeric code on it. That just shows up during the creation process. It will go away after we save it, and it will just say click me first. It won't have that numeric code there, right? And so if I go into learner mode now, you can see that numeric code goes away. We have our button and it's ready to play. So what I'm going to do is actually we're going to move back in the scene. I am going to grab the camera and move it back and make sure we can still see the scene. Bear with me just a minute so that when I click this, you'll see the recording that we made of the recording that I'm making. So we're going to go now and I'm going to click me first. After I go into learner mode, click me first. So you can see the button has a pause feature, right? I just paused myself in the scene that it had recorded. I can start it back up. I can stop it. So this is a real simple, real easy overview of how you do the recording feature here in Acadicus. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.